Okay, we are looking at what? Empirical formula and the molecular formula. We are going to answer questions, jump past questions on molecular formulas and the empirical formula so that you'll be able to score very high in your upcoming jam. So, I believe that you know what's chemical formula. Compounds are represented with a chemical formulas. Elements are written by symbols. And when two or more elements combines together, it gives you a compound. The representation of the compounds in chemistry are represented in a formula we call the chemical formula. For example, you know you have sodium chloride. For example, you have sodium chloride, which is a compound, right? Made of sodium and chlorine. And what's the way of representing this? Sodium chloride. So this is a formula for sodium chloride. In chemistry, say it is a chemical formula, right? So this chemical formula is divided into three major formulas: the empirical formula, molecular formula, and the one we call the structural formula. But today we are looking at empirical formula and the molecular formula. Empirical formula. In empirical formula, we represent the simplest ratio of the atoms present in the compound. You have seen that compounds are made of atoms. The simplest ratio of the atoms present in a compound is represented by a formula we call the empirical formula, while the molecular formula represents the actual number of atoms present in a compound. That means empirical formula of a compound can also be a formula for another compound. For example, if I have C6H14, for example, I have C4H10. The actual number of carbon present in this compound is 4. The actual number of hydrogen present in this compound is 10, is it not? The actual number of carbon present in this compound is 6. The actual number of hydrogen present in this compound is 40. These are different compounds. So the ratio of their atoms is 6:14. Here is 14:10, right? What's the simplest ratio of these atoms? 2 can go here, right? If 2 go here, you have 3. If 2 go here, you have 7. Come to this place. What's the simplest ratio of this? 2 go here. What is it? 2 go here. 5. Can anything stay divide? So the simplest ratio of the atoms of this compound is C2H5. The simplest ratio of this atom of this compound is C3H7. So C3H7 is said to be an empirical formula of this compound. Why this formula is a molecular formula? C2H5 is said to be an empirical formula of this compound. Why this compound is the molecular formula, which represents the actual number. This is the simplest ratio of that number. We call it empirical formula.